2018 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote, finished off in sexy blue. I love this color. Electric blue. Never brings you the blues when you see electric blue. Anyways, what we got done on this beast. Factory converter there, wise into a single. Then we did a resonator delete there. Then we added a DYNOMAX race bullet. Where's the box? The box! And the box appears magically. Part number 24. 24. Anyways, and then tailpipe continues, and then we took off that ugly fork tip and put a double tip in its place to clean it up and make it look sexy. Look at that sexy black polished tip out the back. Came out really clean, really nice right there. Very nice, very nice. Electric blue. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys ever wondered, that's the huge muffler that's on it. That's factory right there. And that's the resonator. And that's the tip that was on it that we took off. Cleaned it up. I think it looks a lot better now. And will sound a lot better. Just wait and see. Much better. Oh yeah. Yes! Again? Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Again? Wow, 122 guys. That's insane. Bro, it hit 122. 5.0, man. You can't beat those 5.0s. No, you can't. Yeah, that tip is perfect. I like it. Nice idle to it. FX4. That's what a truck should sound like always, guys. Got nice stripes on the sides. It's a good looking truck. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Electric blue. Electric Avenue. Remember that song, Electric Avenue?
Oh no, we're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue.
An old song. Anyways. Enjoy beast mode.